Size, super simple recipes, number 41, goulash. Now I haven't done one of these for a while, mostly because my wife's now home and we've been eating the sort of recipes that are already up on this channel. So goulash, typically Eastern European, usually from Hungary. It's a beef stew made with onions, tomatoes, peppers. The main flavouring ingredient is paprika, and we want the sweet one, not the really hot one. I'm going to add a few potatoes to mine just to bulk it up. So the first thing I'll do is prep all these and then I'll come back. Okay, so I've prepared all my ingredients. I've got some beef stock, paprika pepper, tomato puree, garlic and a load of freshly chopped parsley, tomatoes and red peppers, onions and potatoes, and I've coated the meat in some flour which will help it keep its shape a bit better, and it will help to thicken the sauce at the end. So the first thing I've got to do is fry this off, and for that amount I'm going to do it in 3 small batches, so I'll come back once they've been fried off. Right, I've fried off the flour dredged meat in 3 small batches, so now we just add everything to the pot. Onions and potatoes go in, tomatoes and peppers, followed by all the dry ingredients. A good batch of normal salt and pepper. Into that, I'm going to put a glug of white wine, and then we need enough stock and or water just to cover everything. I'll need a bit more. And we're going to want to bring that slowly to a boil. I'll come back once that's on a rolling boil. Okay, that's starting to bubble away nicely. Because of the cooking method we're going to use, you could use any cut of beef, cheap bit of rump steak, anything, even if it's a little bit tough, because we're going to slow cook this. So now let's come to a boil. We're going to take it off there. I'm going to put it onto the smallest burner. Let it bubble a bit, and then we'll turn that right down as low as it will go, and we're going to pop the lid on, and we're going to leave that for 2.5 to 3 hours, by which time the tomato and the onion will have reduced down, so you get a thicker sauce. We'll see what it's like when we come back in about 2.5 hours. Our goulash has been bubbling away now for just short of 3 hours, and that's pretty much finished now. It hasn't stuck at all to the bottom. We've got a rich sauce that's developed from the onions and the tomatoes, and I'm going to serve that with just some part baked crusty rolls. So once they've been in the oven, we'll come back and have a look. So I've got these fabulous little pot baked rolls all done. Goulash is done. So all I'm going to do now is cut these and we'll serve them with the goulash. Absolutely wonderful. Hungarian goulash, job done.